welcome to my channel. And today's tutorial I'm going to be teaching everything about kineMaster app. So now go to your Play Store, App Store, type kineMaster, K-I-N-E-Master, then download the app. After downloading the app, open it. Yes, open the app. Yes, the app is loading. Yes, it's loading. Now click the plus sign, yes, and select video size. Now select the video you will be editing. For me, I'll be selecting let's see, I'll be selecting this. Yes, I'll click the check mark above. You can see that's okay. You can also add extra background or picture by clicking on the media above and selecting the picture background, but I'm going to add background, the white background. So yes, added it. You can see down below I've added my white background. Now to add a title to your video, just click on the video clip, click on the video layer. Yes, you just do that. Now click on the video layer, then click on clip graphics. You can say it clip for graphics. There are various ways you can see, but I'm going to be choosing the last one, basic title effect. Now choose modern title, and I'm going to be inserting my text. Yeah, my text, hi, and it's me. Yes, you can see it there. Now I'm going to be teaching you guys how to reduce the volume. Click on the video clip as usual. Click on the video clip. Click on the video clip. Let's just click there right now. Click there. Okay. Yes, you can see the volume sign. Yes, you can see we're reducing this one. Yes, let's reduce it, or you can increase it also. So I'm reducing mine. You know, you could also split or trim your video by clicking on by putting your cursor on the part you want to be splitting or trimming. You can see the red line, that's your cursor. Yes, then click on the video. You can see the scissor sign. Click on the scissor sign. Yes, click on the scissor sign above. Yes. So now you can see your trim to the left. Sorry about the message. You can see your trim to the left layer, trim to the right layer, or you could split the video. And so now I'm going to be splitting mine. Just see what's going to happen. So split at playhead. Yes, you can see the videos are now separate. You can see them now, they are separate. And now for the trimming of the video, I'm going to be trimming the first one. Put your cursor on the playhead, click the video, then click graphics, then trim to the left. You can see the video layer has been reduced from the left. You can see to the left rather. You can see that. You can see, okay. You know, you could also add cool video filter. Yes, you could add cool video filter by just clicking on the video layer. You can see, go downwards, color filter. You can see the basic. You can just change it to whatever filter you desire. You can see that. You can see I'm going to be choosing the third one and click the check mark above. I'm also going to be showing how to zoom your video. Yes, you can zoom a video based on the clip, on the video clip. Now click on the clip you want to be zooming. Click on the clip. Yes, I'll click on that one. Yes, now you can see the two screen sign above, then click the two lines in between. Yes, now you zoom your video from the screen directly. You zoom, you can see that you zoom your video. You see the video is zoomed. Okay, now let's go to how to add the music. Just click and see it by the right. You can see the music sign by the right. Audio, it's written audio. Just click on audio. Just click on the audio right there. Then you can select whatever music you want, or sound, or recorded sound already. Then just click the pause sign there to add the music. You can see the music casting crowns below. You can see it right there. Also, you can adjust where you want your layer to start from. Let's adjust the music layer. Let's make it start from the beginning of the video. Now let's touch and hold, then move all the way to the left. You can see that, moving it to the left. You can see, okay, that's fine, it's fine there. Okay, so now in case of any mistake, you can always delete your objects by the right, left. You can see it over at the left, looks like a waste bin. Once you click it, it's out. Now you can see mine is out already. You can see no more music. You can see that. You can also record. You see the mic sign below. You see the mic sign below. Let's just stop this so you can see the mic sign. Yes, see the mic sign below, you can see that. Now I'm going to be showing you how to add text. You can add text by just clicking on the layer. You can see the layer. No, not this, not this. You know, you're gonna go just, you can see the layer. Let's position it where we want it to be. Now let's click on the layer. Yes, layer, then text. You can see the text below. Text, then insert your text. Yes, you can see mine. Now let's increase the text. Let's increase the text. You can also change the color of the text. You can see the white sign. You can change the color of the text from there. Let's put mine to green. Let's put it to green. Is green gonna, okay, black. Let's put it to black. Black is okay, I think. And now you can add your in animation so it looks doesn't just look off and on. Changing my in animation to pop. You can see different ones. Slide up, see, slide down. You can also add an out animation. You can see a fade. You can see the fade there. You can see the slide up, slide right, slide down. You can also reduce the speed below. You can see 1.5 and other. You can also reduce opacity. You can see now it's not that clear, but I won't be making my own clear, so I'm just going to increase it back. Yes, let's increase it back. Okay, that's okay. You can see the blending, the text option, the outline, the shadow. Let's click the outline. Let's click the let's click the outline. You can see what the outline does. Okay, you can see the outlines and outliner. Yes, let's click on the glow. You can see what the glow does. Now you can see the yellow glow. You can increase the glow or reduce the glow. Okay, let's click on background color. Now you can see the background color. Let's click it. You can always reduce the color of the opacity below. You can see that, reduce it below. Yes, or increase it. Yes, you can see check mark. You can see that's all for the text. Now you could also add painting by clicking layer, then handwriting. Now there's you can see you can reduce the brush from below. Yes, you can see that. Choose the brush settings or the color. Yes, you can see everything there. That's a brush. Either you choose a box. Let's use a brush first. See what the brush does. See what the brush does. And let's click the box. Hold, drag down. You can see. And next we will choose the circle. Let's show you what it all does. Hold, drag down. But we don't be doing all this. So let's just clean it up. You can see the erase tool there. Down below the circle. Yes. Now let's use erase tool. Let's just erase it all. Erasing it. Yes, we are erasing it, and we're done erasing it. Let's just click the check mark. So now if you have any details you don't want people to see, now let me show you how you're gonna hide it. Click a layer, the F effects. Yes, basic effect, you can see it there. Let's use a mosaic first. You can see, click a check mark, then you can reduce it. Yes, you can see, put it in the area of the details. Reduce it and put it in the area of the details. Okay, you can see the text below is blur. Yes, it's blur. And you click and you can see it's blur. You can also reduce the opacity. Yes, click on the check mark. Now let's use the blur. That was the mosaic we used. Now let's use the blur. Now for the blur, click the same place, effects, basic effects. You can see Gaussian blur. Now let's see the blur, but the blur doesn't hide your details very well. It's the mosaic I prefer. Now reduce the size. You can see as usual, reduce the size. Okay, that's that. Okay, now you can add a video screen or an image screen on top of your previous by clicking on the layer, then media above, then select the image or video you want to be adding. As for me, I'll be adding this. Yes, you can see. Yes, you can see, and can move it around anywhere you want it to be. I will be leaving mine here for the sake of the video. Click the check mark. Okay, we also have cool videos on how to create cool intro. Just check our channel Rinze TV to find out about it. Okay, so now we're going to be adding I'll be showing you how to add crop, add in animation to that. Yes, click on the video, you can see all that. Now let's add an cropping. Let's click on cropping. You can see, just crop it to your desired size. Yes, you can see that. When you're done, click on the check mark above. Okay, now we're going to be showing you about opacity. As always, can reduce, but we don't need it to be reduced. Okay, so now I'm going to be showing how to remove a green background by clicking on chroma key. You can remove the background by clicking on chroma key. Yes, select the color red. You can also adjust it or select the color, key color, you can see it there, but we don't want our background out, so we're going to be undoing that. You can see, let's undo it. You can also undo by the left, you can see the sign there, undo. Okay, now you can always rearrange your layer by clicking on the layer you want to rearrange, like center to front, center to back, that's what I mean. Clicking on the layer you want to rearrange, let's click on our high. You can see our high. Let's rearrange our high. Let's click the three. You see the three dots above the top left. No, not that. By top left, you see the three dots above. When you click it, okay, let's rearrange the Rinze TV. Click on the three dots above. Yes, let's click it. You can see bring to front, send to back, and everything. And that's all for Rinze, for the kineMaster, I mean. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and don't forget to like. Okay, now I'm going to be showing you how to arrange your layers. Okay, I think I already showed you that. Okay, I'm going to be showing you how to make your video look nice, so it doesn't look like just out and in, out and in. You can see the plus sign. You can see the plus sign between the layers. When you click the plus sign, then you can just, yes, when you click the plus sign, you can add all this cool stuff. You can see what I added. See, you can see. That's all for kineMaster. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.